Okay, so today we are going to be taking out and experiencing the Aerogogo automatic inflatable sofa, and I'm so excited to see this in action. So Aerogogo was established in 2021, and their whole priority has been just kind of merging the world of technology and simplifying living. So let's do this. I am so excited. All right, so just out of the box, we've got this giant bag, and it's hard to believe that we've got a whole sofa in here. All right, so let's take this out. Okay, so what makes this so awesome is you don't have to bring a separate pump to blow this up. It is auto inflatable, and you just take off this cap, you'll open this up to get it inflated, and then like promised, you will just click this button and it will inflate itself. Let's see it in action. So the sofa is equipped with an air pump which offers rapid inflation, inflating an armchair in 2 minutes and a love seat in 4 minutes. It's resistant to pressure and deformation. The sofa is lightweight, portable, making it perfect for easy movement between rooms or for on-the-go use. Okay, and once it's all inflated, you'll just put this stopper right back in, push the power button, and reseal. And when you need to recharge it, there's a port for that. Now, let's try it out. This sofa is so awesome. I am so excited about it. It was so easy to set up, and it's perfect if you need to go camping or you've got extra guests over. I can only imagine all of the different ways that I'm going to be able to use this. So this is totally washable. You can spot wash it, or there are zippers on the back where you can unzip everything, take it out, and you can machine wash it. It also holds up weight to up to 300 kilograms. It's super lightweight, making it easy to move around. It has a polyester outer layer, and the fabric upholstery features a smooth, durable weave. The sofa is easy to clean and maintain with removable machine washable covers, making it ideal for busy households, and it offers low maintenance and convenience. When it's time to deflate, just pull open the stopper. It's never quite as pretty when you put it back in as it was when you took it out, but it'll do.